Forget everything you know about crypto mining. Nvidia just dropped the H200 GPU this week, and smart miners are already pulling $10,000 daily using it for something completely different. Instead of mining Bitcoin for pennies, people are now mining by training AI models. They're earning 300% more than traditional crypto mining by renting their GPU power to AI companies. Early adopters are showing receipts $2,000 to $15,000 monthly just from letting their computers work overnight. One guy turned his gaming PC into a $5,000 monthly income stream. Platforms like RunPod and Vasti connect your GPU to companies training AI models. You set your price. They rent your computing power. You get paid automatically. You can literally start with just one RTX 4090 from your gaming rig. As you earn, reinvest in more GPUs and scale up to warehouse-level operations. While Bitcoin miners struggle with electricity costs and competition, AI training is the new gold rush. The demand is insane and growing every single day. This is still early. Most people have no idea this exists yet. Follow me for the complete setup guide and which platforms pay the most right now.